In game engine development video number 32, no changes need to be done on our part. But on video 33, it's more of an optional. The option is that you could use glViewport or you could leave our resizeGL. If you remember back in video 32, we had to go through a debugging process to fix our algorithm, and we implemented a method called resizeGL. And here, let me go back to our program to point that out. You notice here we have a resizeGL, and we do have a glViewport in here. So if you want to skip video 33, go ahead. And if you just want to add that glViewport line in the paintGL just to see the program working, what you do is you need to comment out the body of resizeGL and just place the glViewport function call in the paintGL. And once you're done, comment out glViewport and uncomment the body of resizeGL. Now in video 34, however, we need to do a couple of changes in our algorithm, or not changes, but re-implement some of the code. Now let's go to Visual Studio and I'll point that out. And this applies to those of us that had to go through the debugging process that was presented in the supplemental video number 16. Okay, now the changes. One is that in our nominus namespace, we don't have to use the ship precision, so you can either leave this variable as is or comment it out. But you will still need to add the vector 2D ship velocity variable. Now we're going to go down to our update velocity method. And then we're going to add constant GL float acceleration, like so. Let me zoom in. And this number here is an arbitrary number. For me, 0.3, I've got the F, 0.3 was a number that was good for me when I ran the program. Yours could be different, but make sure this line of code is this. And within each if statement, comment out the for loop or delete it. For me, I just comment it out for now so you could see. And just copy the line of code that was presented in video number 34. So it'll be ship velocity dot y plus acceleration. The v key down, same thing, comment out the for, add this line of code. Right and left, same thing, comment out the for and add that line of code. Now go up to my update. See, in the video we were to implement ship precision equals ship precision plus the ship velocity times clock time eclipse last frame. For us, put it in the for loop like so, and then we're going to access each of the vertices XY coordinate directly, and we're going to plus the ship velocity XY coordinate times the clock time eclipse last frame. So just copy that line of code and compile and run it, and it should run correctly. So in summary, we still implement the vertex 2D ship velocity. Within the update, we change from ship precision equals ship precision plus ship velocity times clock time eclipse last frame to a for statement with the vert xy and the ship velocity xy, like so. Within our update velocity, we have acceleration, and within each if statement, we change the ship velocity with the specific coordinates plus acceleration plus equal acceleration. And there you have it.